Hey guys, welcome back. It's been a while, but today we're gonna show you our fully finished 9-bedroom HMO. Hi, I'm Greta, and behind camera is my husband Daniel, and together we are the Vnuchkas. And last year we started property investment with zero experience, and we are sharing all our journey here on this YouTube channel. And if this is something you are interested in, make sure to like and subscribe. For now, let's not waste any time and go inside and check it out. So here we are in our brand new 9-bed HMO. It's been ripped out back to brick, completely renovated, new electrics, new plumbings, and now it's fully ready. We've been 1 year on this project. It feels like forever, but we're finally hitting the finish line. Now, let me show you the first room. This is our showcase room, and it has everything any tenant could need. We have a double ottoman beds that you lift up and it has all the storage underneath. We have mini fridge, cupboards for extra food storage if they want to keep it in their own room. Almost every room we try to put the desk where is possible, big wardrobe, and every single room has its own bathroom. Let me show you. In this one, we went for a bit more darker colors. We tried out to do dark blue tiles. So this is gonna be the private ensuite for this bedroom. Now, let me show you around, and let's go to the second room. Our second bedroom and the third bedroom actually is not fully finished because we are not gonna be renting these 3 first bedrooms. And I'll explain you why in a second. So this is gonna be the second bedroom. It's not fully furnished yet. Exactly same bathroom as on the first bedroom. And then now let me take you to the kitchen, which is a shared space between the tenants. This is gonna be, we have a little cellar downstairs where we keep all the hot water tanks and electricity meters. And welcome to our beautiful kitchen. So this is our shared space. It has everything double as per HMO requirements, double ovens, double sinks, double fridge, big fridge freezer. And we created this beautiful dining area here so the tenants could just relax and enjoy and have their dinners. This is our third bedroom at the back. It's completely not finished. I'll show you, and it's more like a storage room right now, but we are gonna be renting right now only 6 bedrooms because we got permitted development rights to convert this house to 6 bedrooms, and we went for 9-bedroom application. However, even if our planning officer, he recommended for the approval our application, we had too many neighbors complaining, so it went directly to the committee and committee refused it. So we are going through the appeal process right now, and we're actually hoping to have a very positive turnout, and we will update you more on this, how we're progressing, and what you're gonna in the end tell us. The other day, our enforcement officer coming to check the property, and he was absolutely impressed. He came to visit because the neighbors just keep complaining that, you know, we doing the building and we carry on with the furniture, and, you know, the neighbors being absolutely nightmare on this project. They've been going through our skips, through our rubbish, they've been looking through our windows, peeking and keep complaining. So the enforcement officer came to check and they were super impressed. They said, we hope this is not your last project in Darlington, because Darlington really needs more of this good quality houses. He said, I never seen an HMO at this high standard as you guys doing. And so far, mainly all our tenants is staff that works in the hospital. So of course we are super happy, and that was the goal. Let me show you the back room. So this is going to be our third bedroom, and obviously it's just a storage room right now. But let me take you to the garden as well. If you've been following our journey, you would know that this garden was completely overgrown with the bushes and trees, and now it's just being we completely tidied it up. We cleaned all the bricks, so it's nice and tidy, and tenants can have a bit of a space in the garden to enjoy, maybe in the summer. Still gonna put a bit of a furniture in the garden. And now let me show you upstairs. Welcome to the first floor. This floor has 4 bedrooms. This is what we're gonna be renting for now until we're waiting for the final approval. So this is one of the back rooms. It's much bigger than on our first house. It's very spacious, as well as a bathroom here. Let me show you more. So this is our off suite for the bedroom 7. Bedroom 7 is gonna have a really nice and spacious bathroom. So it kind of compensates that it's not in the room. Now let's go see bedroom 5. Sorry, I'm completely losing my voice. So this is another really nice bedroom. I really like this one. It's extremely cozy. This is gonna be as well a bathroom. This room is reflecting the downstairs. And let me show you the last 2 rooms on this floor. This is another great bedroom facing the front of the house. Has a lot of nice light. Has exactly the same ensuite here. And then we have last bedroom on this floor. So all the rooms has exactly same furniture. Each of them has a mini fridge, ottoman bed, TV. In this one, we actually created a nice built-in wardrobe for more space and extra storage. Otherwise, it's kind of unused space at the top, so we decided to try to build in this one the wardrobes where we can. On our third project, we're gonna have a built-in wardrobes in every single room. Now, let me take you to my favorite part of the house, which is loft. So we are in a loft right now, and this loft, compared to our first project where we have 3 bedrooms, it has only 2 big bedrooms. So this is first bedroom. It's super spacious, has a very nice skylight, and this room actually rented first. The person who took it, he was like, I love the skylight. I really can see myself living here. So we as well did a big built-in wardrobe in this one, because we know how important the storage for everyone is. As well, this room doesn't have a bathroom inside. It has the off-suite on the hallway. However, it's a really generous size. So this will be a really nice big size bathroom for that specific room. And then I think this is room 9 is my most favorite room in the house. It's not as big as maybe the other ones, but it has everything you need. It has a nice double bed, it has a TV, it has a really nice size bathroom, and then we have a really nice built-in wardrobe with a lot of space. This is all our 9 bedrooms. Obviously, we purchased this house for $155,000 last year in September, and we started the renovation. I think we spent it nearly $200,000 with the loft conversion. We're not going to be getting the valuation right now because we're waiting for the appeal to come through, and we hope the rest of the 3 bedrooms will be approved, and then we're gonna go to see what they're gonna value our house, and obviously we're gonna share numbers with you guys. Yeah, so that's it. And you know, this project has been full of challenges, full of crazy tradespeople, but I think, you know, as our second project, we keep learning, and you know, we applying all our mistakes that we learned from previous project to try to avoid here. And I'm not gonna lie, this project, if something can go wrong in the project, almost everything went wrong in this project, from the builders. You know, actually, when we were getting the building control sign off a few days ago, our building control said, oh, well, I think you guys were supposed to install the fire chambers, which is obviously came as a shock to us because it's our last day, we finished the project, and then, you know, they come with something that it's so important and so serious. And we were like, no, you approved the plans without it. And, you know, we went back and forward, we got again the architect involved, but in the end, she said, yes, actually, you know, we approved the plans beforehand and we spoke with the fire brigade. And in the end, she gave us the sign off, but obviously there was a chance it could have gone a different route and that was super stressful. However, you know, our third project right now, we have a great team, is flowing much better compared to our first and second. We now just delivered it over the line and we are super happy about it. And if you would like to see how our third project is going on, make sure to check out this video here. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.